Good skin doesn't just happen. We have to work at it. Hello everyone, I'm Alli Drew. Welcome to my channel. And before I get into some great and creative ways to use estrogen cream, I want to remind you all that I have a great discount on the Cure LED mask. I've noticed that it's really helped me with my lip lines and my forehead lines. I just love this mask. It's completely wireless. You only have to use it for 3 minutes a day. I also have a discount for you all on this all-in-one face serum. I call it a multivitamin for your face. I use it right after I use the mask. Good skin doesn't just happen. We have to work at it. Okay, so on to some great ways to use estrogen cream. You are gonna love this video. You want to discuss all of these applications with your doctor, of course. I'm an attorney and I'm always going to give you a disclaimer about estrogen cream. It's the responsible thing to do. Okay, so the first place where I'm applying estrogen cream is to my lips. I am really excited about this. The reason why we lose volume in our lips as we get older is because of lack of estrogen. So I'm applying estrogen cream to my lips every other night, and I'm really excited about it. We get thin lips as we get older because of that lack of estrogen. I'm really excited to see what happens. Hopefully, it will restore fullness in my lips. You can also get lip blushing. Lip blushing is semi-permanent color. I do have a video on it. You can see my video on it. I've put a link for you. I use estrogen cream on my face every other night. I alternate it with tretinoin, but you can use estrogen cream on your face every night with tretinoin. I do have a video on it, and I've linked that video for you as well. Ladies, what about our eyelids? One of my beautiful viewers reminded me of this. My eyes are hypersensitive, but I'm just starting to sneak a little bit of estrogen cream on my eyelids. Maybe it will help us put off that eyelid surgery for a few years. But remember, be really careful not to get the estrogen cream into your eyes. So be really careful and strategic about the way you apply the estrogen cream to your eyelids. The third way is to apply it to your arms, not for crepey skin, but for actinic purpura or actinic purpura, however you say it. I do like to limit the estrogen cream to my face because it is liquid gold after all, but applying it for actinic purpura is just too interesting to pass up. Actinic purpura is excessive skin thinning, often experienced on our forearms. Actinic purpura is caused by years of sun exposure. It looks like bruising. I have a video on it with treatments that will help you. Many doctors will tell you that it will go away on its own, but there are treatments you can do at home that will help you. There isn't a lot of research on bioidentical hormones and actinic purpura, but bioidentical hormones are known to thicken our skin. So applying those bioidentical hormones to the actinic purpura may thicken our skin. I will be your guinea pig. I've started applying it to my forearm every other night. I'm hoping it will be another treatment that can help this annoying yet benign, ugly problem. And the final way you can apply estrogen cream in a creative way, well, this one isn't really so creative and different, but try just applying estrogen cream without tretinoin and just putting some really good moisturizer over your estrogen cream, because you'll wake up the next day with really thick, plump skin that's well moisturized. Try using just the estrogen cream without tretinoin once in a while if your skin feels a little bit dry now and then, and use this Dr. Tem eye cream. This is a great eye cream. It's really thick and emollient, and it is super moisturizing. I push this a lot because it is so great. Use it around your eyes, so you have your estrogen cream, and then put this on and put it around your eyes, put it over your lip, put some on your neck, and then on the rest of your face, put this CeraVe night cream. Put this on the rest of your face, and then sleep with a humidifier, and you will wake up and your skin will be super moisturized, super hydrated. You'll have used your estrogen cream, and your skin will just be amazing the next day. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. And for those of you who got so excited about me starting to say use estrogen cream on your arms, look at my video about how to get rid of crepey skin on your arms, because there is only one way to get rid of crepey skin on your arms, and that's to start now with the treatments that I have. Let's be done with crepey skin on our arms. You can do it. It takes 2 minutes in the morning and 2 minutes at night. Let's get rid of crepey skin. Remember, ladies, being kind makes us the most beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Thank you.